going to be doing the static bicep curl. We're going to be taking our curl bar to the back center pulley on the ground. And we're going to demonstrate what our proper range of motion is on a curl. Your bottom should not be all the way locked out. You should have a slight bend in your elbow. And then when you bring it to the top, I don't want you to bring it over too far. I want you to bring it to about right there. So this would be your proper range. Not too far down and not too far up. That's really all you got to remember. We need to train the machine what the range of motion is going to be. So again, I'm standing, I'm gripping the bar underneath it, right there. I'm going to go ahead and bring it up to my top range. I got a slight bend in my knees. I'm going to lower it to the lower range. Again, slight bend in my knees, wait for the beep. And as soon as I bring it up, it will engage the exercise. It will bring me into the position that it's looking for. And again, this is a static contraction, so it will not be moving. You're going to basically resist up and as hard as you can against this immovable object. Maintaining your neutral position with your slightly bent knees. Do not start pulling back. Do not start leaning forward. You'll have to engage your core, keep your head and neck neutral. You're going to do this for the entire 60 seconds. When you're done, simply slowly lower it. Do not drop it. And you can walk up and hit stop.